Hi, Namaste. A glow LED making a solar light. Solar light has a different models. If you see, this is a solar integrated light. It has a wattage from 30 watt, 50 watt, and 75 watt, 100 watt, and also have 150 watt. And these integrated solar lights are used for the street lighting, and also we can use it for the floodlighting purpose also. We also have another light. You can see this is a solar radar sensor, and also you can say solar semi integrated or prime model. In this also we have a 20 watt, 30 watt, and 50 watt. So coming to here, the solar lights also has gate lights and elevation lights, and also like this you can have a flower light and ball lights, and you can have a road stud, and you can have a this series light, and you can have a series light, and also we have a swimming pool lights. So these lights has a different applications. So coming to solar light is initially maybe cost is more than the AC supply, but the life of the solar light will be panel will be 25 years. Coming to battery and other things, it may come 5 years. So if you are taking a solar light backup, it may take to 6 to 8 months per ROI, and coming to AC may be less. So coming to this solar light works like a AC light. Only the difference is it has a battery, solar panel. The remaining all are same. It has a driver, and it also has a driver. The solar light generally has automatic on and off facility. Glow LED or any other light has the solar lights is turn on by evening and turn off by morning. Suppose if you want a less battery, less panel, then we can have a driver setup. We can have 6 to 10 o'clock full voltage or full wattage. Then after 10 we can have a 25 thing. Then the second model what we can use, that is whenever human comes, it will operate automatically. Whenever human is not there, it will not work. So that cost more. So coming to, if you are categorize solar lights, we can say three categories. One is the eco model, then second one is integrated model, the third one is this prime model. So these models will give the illumination for the street light. You go anywhere, these three models will be there. The eco models are generally very less cost. If you are taking a 20 watt, the cost may be 25,000 max, 2500 max. Suppose if you are going for this integrated model, the integrated model 30 watt cost 4000 plus GST. And if you go to the prime model, the 40 watt cost 8500 plus GST. So glow LED also has poles. Coming to these applications of the solar light, these solar street light used for the street purpose, and also you can use for the floodlights also. We have floodlights also you can use for the IMAX poles, and our display purpose, our signage purpose, or wherever we have a floodlights, those areas we can use the solar floodlights. Coming to these gate lights, solar gate lights used for the solar gates, and it also has a three colors it has. And coming to flowers and other things, flowers, strip light and series light, we can use it for the decorative purpose. So coming to we have a other model. So 2-in-1 model, it works on the AC supply, it also works on the DC supply. So wherever we have a combination, this can be very useful. So coming to the solar light is initially maybe cost effective, but life is more as compared to the AC lights. And solar lights nowadays very useful for the farmhouses, very useful for the rural areas, very useful for the street lighting where we don't have a power supply. And we glow LED did a solar lights for so many companies. So we did a Siri Sampada, one company. We made a 110 poles with solar light. Solar light, it is a solar integrated light. So the cost compared to AC light, it may have only 2 lakhs difference. So if it is a real estate venture, my suggestion is go for the solar light. Suppose you have like a farmhouse surrounding you want, thus you can go for this one. GLOLED, why we need to go for the GLOLED? So GLOLED has all the models and the price wise is the best we can give. The second, GLOLED has AC DC lights. It works both AC and DC. And GLOLED also has 3-in-1 color lights. So GLOLED has these attractive models as compared to market. And GLOLED made everything in-house. That's why in future if you have any problem, the GLOLED can make easily and supplies support very easily. And the GLOLED has installation facility also. GLOLED make the installations for you. So like this, if you compared all the above things, the GLOLED is the best choice for the solar lights. So when you are going for the any street lighting, if you have a sun facility, just go for the solar light. If you compare AC light, it is always best method and it is independent. So there is no need of the government supply. So more security places go for the solar light. So come to the GLOLED for better lighting solutions. GLOLED has 17 outlets across AP and Telangana. You just call once, our people will come and approach and give the solutions for you. GLOLED also has dialect software. It makes and design how it looks after installing. So these all things gives the best choice for you. So GLOLED always create a value for you. The GLOLED failure rate is only 0.1, and if you go the reviews, GLOLED has 90%, 99% positive reviews. Come to the GLOLED, so get the value for your money. Thank you very much.